Welcome guys, so today I am with iPhone and Beats Studio 3 and I'm gonna show you how you can pair this headset to your iPhone. So at first we have to focus on this power button that we can find in this place. We have to click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking. So click, hold. As you can see, indicators lights up, they are blinking. So we can put back the headset, open the Bluetooth settings on our iPhone, go for the Bluetooth, tap on the switcher to enable Bluetooth on our iPhone, and then you'll get this notification, Beats Studio 3. We can simply click to connect. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. When you click continue, there it is, we are connected. That's how you can make it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.